Would you like a fun new way to use up your scraps? I'm going to show you how to make this card just using little strips of scrap paper. Welcome, welcome, my crafty friends. I'm Dawn, creator at Dee Creates Crafts, and this is the Facebook page for simple solutions to all your crafty questions. Are you ready to learn how to make this card? All right, let's get started making this card. The first thing and the star of the show is the designer series paper, the light Mediterranean blooms. And it's kind of like a 2-for. You get this gorgeous citrus, and then the blues are the reverse side of all the citrus. So look at the versatility in this paper. The first thing I want you to do is cut we're going to use a fall color, Cajun Craze, at 8.5 by 5.5, and then score it at 4 1/4. My second fall color is Pecan Pie that I've cut at 5 1/4 and again at 4, and then a white layer at 5 by 3 3/4. So that's going to be the base of your card, which we're going to use some clear sheets or acetate paper. And if you don't have this, have you ever bought a new stamp set and inside the stamps are held in place by this little piece of clear sheet or acetate? Use this. Don't even throw it away. This is what you're going to use for your project. So I've gotten us started a little bit. You're going to cut your scrap paper, your strips. You can use pattern, you can use solids, and we're just going to make a gorgeous design. You can use glue, you can use tape, whatever you want in this whole wide world. And you can do yours about 1/4 inch apart, you can do it an inch apart, or you could use a little bit of both and get a little variety. And you can see too, I have done that with my strips, my scraps, if you will. I have cut them in 2 different sizes, in the 1/4 inch and again in the 1/2 inch. What I call my travel size Cut Emboss machine. I'm gonna grab a little die that looks like a tag and run this through. This is my go-to when I'm on the run. I take this little guy to retreats, I take it on trips, I take it to hotels, it goes in your luggage, it goes in your suitcase, in your craft bag. All right, look how cute. How stinking cute is that? What? It just came out darling. So you can get different looks depending on the paper you use and the dies you use. So that's what we're gonna jump into right here and decorate this. And I'm gonna adhere this down. The next thing, and this is the stamp set I used, is called Simply Said because of the sentiments. I've already stamped the sentiment, just a note, so I'm gonna adhere that down flat for us. Now for our decoration, this we're gonna pop up. Now what I have found is the best for the popping up, there's 2 sizes of dimensionals, so I'm gonna use the smaller sizes, the minis, if you will, because these hide beautifully behind your strips, especially the 1/2 inch versus the 1/4 inch. So this can go, let's say, I may put mine at an angle. Yeah. And then for my embellishment, I just fussy cut a piece of fruit. So I'm gonna pop this guy up for our decoration. What? Let's add a little bling. And we're done. Now I gotta ask you, do you have some crafty friends that craft with you? Go ahead and share this video to your own page because your crafty friends may want to make this card as well. Do you want the tutorial for how to make this card? All you got to do is tell me your favorite. So tell me below which is your favorite card, and be sure you're already following Dee Creates Crafts, and I'm going to send you the free PDF tutorial so you can make these. I want you to follow Dee Creates Crafts. I want you to tell me which card is your favorite, and I want you to go like this, boop, and hit the heart. What? Thanks for watching today, you guys. I hope you make this card. Bye now.